Welcome to RS Technology. In this video series, I will show you how to make a professional login page using HTML and CSS. So before the coding, let me break the HTML code here. Okay, so here I have used one background image, and after that I have used one profile picture image here using div, and here I have used login here div title. Okay, after it I have used one div for input username and password. Here I have used one button for login, and here I have used two anchor tag. First one is for forget your password and second one is for don't have an account. Okay, so let's get started coding. Okay, here I have used one bzip image, this image, and one profile.png, this image, and here I have added index.html file where I have already added boilerplate, and in style.css file I have used some basic structures like margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, color white, and font family open sans arial sans serif. Okay, so start. Uh, let's start in the HTML code. Here I have used one wrapper div wrapper class. Inside the wrapper we need to use a background image, and after it I have used one div for login container. Inside the login container we need to use all the content. It means all the login content. Okay, so first of all I'm adding here image, profile image, so img, and image name is profile.png. Yes, profile.png. Width we have to just define here width of image. Width width 90 pixel, and I have used here some bl tag for breaking for next line. Okay, now we need next one, we need title, so we have to add dot login title. Inside the div we need to write login login here. Okay, after that we need input fields, so for the input field we need, okay, so for input we need label and input tag. So here I using label for username, and here label name is also username. Okay, and after label we need input for the label. Okay, input type text, and we need placeholder here, so I'm writing here placeholder. Enter username, enter username, enter username. Okay, after that we need next level for password, so just I'm copying this and paste it behind it, sorry, paste it button it. So here we need for password, here we need password, placeholder, enter password, so I'm writing here enter password. Okay, now we need button, so I'm using btn, and button name is login. Okay, we need a class, so I'm writing a class name button. Now we need two anchor tags, so I'm writing here class name create account, and inside I have used two anchor tag. First one is for forget your password, and second one is don't have an account. Okay, so save it and run it. Let me wait for output. I have opened live server here. Yeah, okay, this is, but no, don't worry, now we need to use CSS here. Height 100 vh, Sorry, height 100 vh and width 100 vw. Okay, and next background image. We need background image URL. We need here bg.jpg, so bg.jpg. We need, if we want to background, we don't need to repeating the background, so I'm using here background repeat, no repeat. Background size 100 into 100, 100% into 100%. Okay, we need this all items inside the, in the wrap or all items we want to in the center. That's why we need to use display flags. Display flags, using display we need to justify content center and align item center. Justify content center and align item center. Align items center. Center. Okay, now for the login container, dot login container, background color black, width 330 pixel, width, sorry, background color black and width 330 pixel, height 56%, 56%, and padding 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Position relative, because we want to position on the image. Position relatives. And border radius 15 pixel. Border radius, sorry, border radius 15 pixel. Border radius 15 pixel. I have already written some CSS code here for saving the time. Inside the dot image class, I have used width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, border radius 50%, and background color white. Display flags, justify content center, align item center. I have used here this 3 line of code because we want to center vertically and horizontally. That's why I have used here display flags and justify content center and align item center. Now here I have used position absolute. We need this 3 line for we want to just look this image fix on this place. That's why I have used here position absolute, and top and left minus 10% and 35%. Here I have used login title. For login title, display flags, same here we need to center inside the login title. That's why I have used flags and justify content center, align item center. Font weight 800 and font size 1.7 rem. For input container, I have used font size again 1.1 rem and letter spacing 1.1 rem, line height 1.5 rem and margin 1.2 rem. Inside the input container, I have used here font size 1.1 rem, letter spacing 0.1 rem, line height 1.5 rem and margin 1.2 rem, same as previous. And now input, for input container I have used all unset. It means I want to just all I don't want to use predefined property. That's why I have used here all unset. I want to use only our custom property. Here I have used border bottom 2 pixel solid gray. Okay, so I have used here all unset because all by default properties we don't need to use here. Okay, now for button I have used with 90%, background font size 1.2 rem and padding 0.9 rem, border radius 30 pixel, margin 1.2 rem and cursor pointer. Okay, for last dot create account a means anchor tag for create account. I have used a margin 1.2 rem and text decoration none, because by default anchor tag by default property is underline, so that's why I have used your text decoration none. Here we need some hover property, that's why I have to write background color RGB means green. When we hover on the button, that's and then we need background color green and some zooming, that's why we need to use scale 1.1. Okay, save it. Okay, now save it and run it. Wow, refresh it again. Okay, nice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.